Hello everyone, TGS here. We're back with another video, and here there's a cicada. I think it's about to hatch out of its shell, and yeah, it's just climbing up this tall tree. And will probably soon hatch. It's been in the ground for 17 years. So this thing has been in the ground since 1993. And now it's going to hatch soon, I think. Look at those claws. Look at that. They kind of look like crab claws. And I don't know if a squirrel will snatch it or anything. I don't know if it's even going to transform right now. But I see kind of green on its back. And yeah, that's basically it for the video. Just some footage of this cicada. And as always, see you next time on TGS. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do not live underground for 17 years. Thank you.